Let's go, everyone. Hope everyone had a great holidays, Thanksgiving. Today we're going to be unboxing this Fugetek tripod. And I'm really excited for this because I'm going to start using this tripod for future videos, unboxing videos. And what I'm most excited about that this tripod has over my current tripod is this Bluetooth controller. So this Bluetooth controller will allow me to click and start recording, whereas now I have to tap my phone, and that's why there's some jittery parts of the beginning of my videos now. So I looked up some reviews on Amazon, and this one looked really cool. So features wise, all-in-one selfie stick and tripod, works great with phones and cameras. A lot of different ways to set it up. Goes up to 51 inches high. Looks like it has pretty good bass. No more sore or stiff neck. So this is the packaging. Let's see ways of using it. Sorry about the glare. Great for watching movies in bed, relax while video chatting, selfies with friends, that's important. Precise music, practice music or karaoke, TikToks, group video calls anywhere. Again, this is the package. And let's get to it. Let me unbox this. Please like and subscribe, everyone, for future awesome random unboxing videos. Here we go. Okay, cool. So comes with a carrying case. Oh, let's see what else is in here. What is this? That's nothing else. What's this? Oh, so instructions on how to set up the Bluetooth remote, which is the main reason why I got this. So I can take photos with the Bluetooth remote control connected to my phone, and yeah, I'll connect this to my phone in the future videos and start using this remote to start and stop video recording. So just want to show you all this card before I set it down. All right. Nice little bag, storage bag, carrying bag. Dope. So this is the Bluetooth remote. Adjustable legs. This is how you extend it, it looks like. Dope. This is going to be perfect for making future unboxing videos. Then this is the piece that you mount the phone or camera onto. So let me twist this in. Oh, actually, I'm going to do it the other way because I'll be mounting my phone horizontally. Let me use my right hand. Oh, good. Awesome. Cool. Yeah, so there you have it, everyone. Unboxing of this Fugetek, I don't know how to pronounce it, tripod with, most importantly, the Bluetooth controller, and I'll put a link to this item in the description below. So thanks everyone for watching this video. No more jittery beginnings of my videos now that I have this Bluetooth remote controller. See you all next time. Bye.